Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's final presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 3. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned for the last two sessions and then learn the final part of the Greatest Showman Medley so we can play the whole piece. So let's begin by getting our instruments warmed up.
Hello, it's Mr. Tabor here for this week's rhythmic warm-up, which is linked to the Greatest Showman Part 3. Before we begin, remember to set your instrument up carefully, warm up with some long notes, and to play with good posture throughout your practice, whether you're standing or sitting. Copy me clapping and playing this week's rhythm using my mouthpiece and instrument. You will notice from the diagram that this week's rhythm consists of tied notes which are arrowed. This will give the rhythm a really cool sound using syncopation. Syncopation is where the second, third and fourth notes will appear in between the main four beats of the bar. Use a strong tongue to really feel the rhythm. This week you are going to practice the rhythm on two notes, low B using your second valve or second slide position, and E using your first and second valve or fourth slide position.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's the note guide which shows you how to play all the notes you need for every instrumental section of this piece. Remember that you can pause and rewind the video at any point to come back to this if you need a reminder on how to play the notes. Do you remember what we've done in the last two sessions? We learnt to play the first instrumental section, otherwise known as the introduction. Then we sung Rewrite the Stars. Then we played the second instrumental section, which is the first playing part of This Is Me, and then we sung This Is Me. Here's a recap that sticks everything together we've done so far.
We are now going to sing along to the final part of This Is Me.
Now we're going to learn the third and final instrumental section. On the last line you'll notice that some notes are coloured in red and some are coloured in blue. If you want to try playing some high notes, you can try playing the red part. If these notes are too high for you, then feel free to play the notes in blue. This section of music follows on directly from what you learnt in the second session. Your count-in is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 rhythm on the drums, which you'll hear on the backing track. Listen and watch on the first time through, then you can have a go. Now you can have a go. Now let's put together everything new we've done in this session. We're going to play the third instrumental section, which is the second playing part of This Is Me, and then we're going to sing the second part of This Is Me. Are you ready?
Don't forget to pause and rewind as many times as you like before we play the whole piece. Before we start, here's a reminder of all the different sections we will need to sing and play. First of all, we play our instruments in the introduction. We then sing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars?
We play the first part of This Is Me. Then we sing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come.
We then play the second part of This Is Me. And then we sing the final part of This Is Me to finish.
Oh, 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 this is me.
Well done everyone, you've done a fantastic job listening and playing along with each tutor, and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this or any other of our videos as many times as you like. Why not perform your own concert at home playing all your favourite pieces that you've learnt with us? Keep up the good work and look out for more playing opportunities on our website.